and welcome. Thanks for checking out our product review. Now, before we begin, let me ask you a question. Are you struggling to create an online income? Well, if you're interested in having one of our internet marketing coaches help you build your online business to get your monthly income to $10,000 a month, click the first link in the description below. For a limited time, we've opened a few slots for new members. Now, back to the review. You can grab the product through the second link in the description below at any time during this video. And upon your purchase, you're going to receive these 4 exclusive bonuses. Bonus 1, we'll show you how to flood your offers with free traffic. Bonus 2, we'll show you how to master the art of ranking all your videos on YouTube. Bonus 3, learn how to create a significant income by becoming a middleman on one of the top freelancer sites. And bonus 4, discover how to get 250,000 new subscribers every week. We have several more bonuses that you'll find in the description below. These bonuses will be automatically delivered instantly via Warrior Plus or JVZoo as soon as you grab the product. I've also included access to our #1 recommendation for becoming an expert in creating an online income with the help of our AI tools. And you can get started for free. You can get access in the description below. Now, let's get back to the review.
What is going on, guys? It is Glenn here with a very quick video to invite you to promote our new launch. This one's the recurring commission system and it goes live on Warrior Plus on Monday the 30th of January. Now this is a software and a system which can help your guys make money by promoting products which have a recurring monthly fee to them. So we're talking stuff like ClickFunnels. You know, I pay and use ClickFunnels every single month and I've been paying over $279 for about 5 or 6 years. Now somebody else brought me in to sign up for ClickFunnels and they've been getting a massive kickback, a massive commission every single month because I pay that $279 or $297, whatever it is. Your guys are going to be able to use our system, our site, our done-for-you setup to promote stuff like ClickFunnels, ClickMagick, domain names, hosting, all these other softwares and services that other people are paying monthly for. I personally spend about $5,000 every single month in fees for recurring products, and now you and your subscribers will be able to do the same with the recurring commission system. Now, if you're on the JV page, you're going to find out all the information you need to promote this offer. If you're not, click on the button around this video somewhere. It should be underneath somewhere. You're going to find the button. On the JV page, you'll find out all the details about the offer. You'll be able to get your banners, email swipes, images you can use on your review pages and however you want to promote this product. If you need the document with access, there should be a button somewhere on the page as well. And also hit me up at any time for access to that document and access to the actual product, software and system as well. Now with regards to prizes, we're obviously giving away quite a lot of cash prize money with this. If you can push this offer, I guarantee that you'll be able to make a lot of money by promoting this offer and you'll obviously win some cash prizes as well. And reciprocation, if you can promote me, I've of course got your back. I'm not just a one-hit wonder who comes along and has one launch and may promote you here or there. If you've been following me, I've been doing launches for around 6, 7, 8 years now, and after every launch, I promote everybody who has promoted me, no questions asked. I've been on leaderboards for years now, so I really would appreciate if you can support me, and I'm definitely gonna have your back in the future. So if you need any more help with your promotion of this offer, please let me know. Anything else you want, just hit me up on Messenger, Skype or Telegram. I'm always going to be there for you guys. So Monday 30th of January, the recurring commission system, it's going to help you and your subscribers make money by promoting products that have a monthly recurring element to them. So there's potential to make hundreds if not thousands of dollars every single month, just like I am doing with this system. So thanks a lot guys, and I will see you on our leaderboard.